Jolly Phonics, Group 1.
S, s,
Snake, sun, 6. Snail, star, slide,
a,
apple, ant, arm, axe, airplane, arrow,
t, t,
tent, towel, truck, tie, tiger, table,
I,
insect, iguana, igloo, ink, iron, ice cream,
p, p,
pencil, pear, parrot, pan, pie, penguin, net, nose, nurse, nest, nap, notebook. Let's try reading this. The cat sat on a mat. Your turn. Try reading this yourself. Group 2.
k, k,
Duck, clock, sock, lock, brick, sick, egg, elephant, envelope, elbow, eagle, earth, hat, horse, hand, happy, ham, house, rat, rain, robot, rabbit, rose, rocket, mug, moon, monkey, mask, map, milk,
d,
dress, deer, donut, dog, dice, drum. Let's try reading this. The red duck hops on a rock. Your turn. Try reading this yourself. Group 3.
g, g,
Gap, goal, goose, grapes, frog, gift,
o,
mop, stop, owl, rock, bottle, octopus, umbrella, run, gum, under, unicorn, bus, leg, lamp, clap, lollipop, lion, ladder, fan, fish, first, farm, flag, fast,
b,
bag, ballon, banana, bird, bike, boat. Let's try reading this. Funny, goat, flips, under, big, log. Your turn. Try reading this yourself. Group 4.
A
Aid. Aim. Pain. Male. Train. Afraid.
J
Jug. Jet. Jam. Jump. Juice. Jacket.
O
Goat. Soap. Goal. Road. Float. Toast.
I
Tie. Pie. Quiet. Fries. Cried. Movie.
E
Bee. Tree. Feed. Sheep. Sleep. Screen.
or
Fork. Born. Horse. Sport. Storm. Popcorn. Let's try reading this. Jamie rode a noisy boat near the pier. Your turn. Try reading this yourself. Group 5.
Z
Zip. Zoo. Zero. Zoom. Zebra. Zigzag.
w
Win. Well. Weak. Swim. Sweep. Between. Sing. King. Hang. Sling. Swing. Spring. Van. Vet. Vest. 7. Invent. Travel. Cook. Look. Book. Wood. Wool. Footsteps.
ooh
Zoo. Pool. Moon. Room. Spoon. School. Let's try reading this. Waves. Zoom. Past. A strong pull. Your turn. Try reading this yourself. Group 6.
y
Yak. Yell. Yoga. Yuck. Yellow. Yogurt.
x
Fix. Fox. Box. Exit. X-ray. Mixing.
ch
chick, chess, chest, lunch, torch,
sh, sh,
wish, dish, shop, sheep, brush, flash,
v, v,
than, that, them, with, then, smooth, thin, 3, tooth, thief, thank, thump. Let's try reading this. The young chef chopped fish with a sharp axe. Your turn. Try reading this yourself. Group 7.
quoi, quoi,
Quiz, quest, quick, queen, liquid, squirrel,
ow, ow,
out, loud, shout, pound, mouth, outfit,
oi, oi,
oil, boil, coin, joint, toilet, poison,
you,
fuel, issue, tissue, statue, rescue, continue, herb, river, clever, pepper, hammer, summer,
ah,
jar, car, park, smart, garlic, caterpillar. Let's try reading this. The quick parrot flew over the noisy square. Your turn. Try reading this yourself. Goodbye. Don't forget to press like and subscribe.